Ciao ragazzi, I'm Kimberly and I'm an artist, and today I would like to talk about my original paintings. When I paint, I try to capture a real moment. For example, the way the sunlight moves across a piazza, or the exact color of the sea on an afternoon. Original paintings are one of a kind and unique. There is only one of each in the world. And let me show you a few. Venice, Rome, Florence, Sicily, and the Vatican. Whether it's a small piece or a large collector painting, each one is painted on 100% cotton archival watercolor paper, crafted to last and meant to be loved. When you collect an original, you're bringing home a piece of Italy, captured in watercolor and light. My collector's sale is happening now. It's a great time of the year to bring home an original. Details are in the caption. And until next time, ciao ciao.